This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description.
In this video, we're talking about the 3 shades of blue food coloring that we keep on hand. These are all Liqua-Gel colors. I like them because of their consistency and makes them easy to use in a variety of things like buttercreams and royal icing, and they give you nice, bright, intense colors. And we made all of these by adding 1 drop of the food coloring to 1 ounce of our buttercream. And you can see the sky blue is a nice kind of cyan blue, right? It has that aqua tone to it, and the royal is that nice kind of true value royal blue. And even though this isn't as intense as the label, if you add more coloring, you're going to get closer to that shade. And then the third one is the neon bright blue. And this is kind of like an extra I like to have in my toolkit because we end up doing a lot of things for Halloween, summer, and kids' birthdays that require these bright, intense shades. And you can see in terms of the actual shade, it's kind of in between these 2 colors, like it's a mix of the 2, but it has a very bright, intense value that can be a little bit harder to achieve by just mixing the colors. So I find it's nice to actually have the neon bright blue on hand. These will allow you to mix a variety of different kinds of blues, from soft pastels to nice, intense dark colors, and a variety of shades. You can use these to make Tiffany blue, periwinkles, royals, French blues, and a variety of kind of electric shades that'll give you a full range in your color palette.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.